nila alam.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Bila 03.7 where we talk about anything and everything under the sun. Here with us today is our cluster heads for YFC, Regine Sarita.
Hi!
And Mike Adrada.
Hey, it's AKA John Lawrence.
Na naman?
Again?
Inulit din.
Okay, and with us also are the veterans,
Daming galit.
Karina Bacani.
Hello!
And Bembem Hunana.
It's B to the AM. Hello.
And Benz is outside. Okay. So, ano nga ba pag-uusapan natin ngayon, guys?
Youth camp.
Okay.
You can.
Ano ba ang... Hindi. Bakit ba masarap maging YFC?
That's hard. Bakit nga ba?
Ano question?
Bakit masarap? Masarap kasi you get to know like more people here. And yun, tama si Kat. Kasi your friends are family. That's right.
Yeah.
And syempre, parang kahit yung purpose mo is to know more about God, then you get to know more about good people also.
And let me just add na you not only get to know more friends or you not only get to know or treat your friends as family eventually, but most importantly, you also get to know yourself.
And no.
You also get to build yourself, your character. And it's basically just being, I don't know, being,
One with the Lord.
yes, being one with the Lord through people around you, through the community.
And I'm so proud of what B9 has become. Na parang our cluster, sobrang, mapagmahal. No more than yung active tayo. Sobrang na-feel ko na everyone's loving each other talaga. Sincerely.
And with that said, gusto ko sigurong i-acknowledge yung mga ate at kuya na masasabi kong retired na sa YFC ngayon. Hindi ko na siguro ibabanggit, pero alam na natin lahat kung sino yung mga kuya at ate na yun
Rufa si Alex.
na, na nagdala sa atin dito and nag-impart sa atin ng kanilang yung ways nila of taking care of this community. And basically, ganun lang yung ginagawa namin as well. At kami ni Reg, tayo mga chapter heads, ganun din yung gusto namin mangyari. We just want to continue on with what they've started for us.
Nice. So, sa napakahabang sagot ni Regine at ni Mike, kailan ba itong youth camp natin?
It's on May 1 to May 3. That's a Friday to Sunday.
At Villa Santa Luisa, Tagaytay City.
How much is the reg fee?
For the participants, it's $850, and I believe last year we
We had the same.
we had the same price for the participants, but this year for the service team,
It's
it's
much more
gone higher.
expensive.
Yes, it's gone higher. It's now $950 as compared to last year, which was I think also $850 or $800.
Okay, so with that said, kailan ang ating mga next activities? With in terms of preparation with the youth camp.
I heard that on Monday you guys will be having the practice for God.
Yes.
Date.
Practice for God / pastoral for the God members, the God team.
As well as there's also a practice, I think, for Music Min.
Right. And that's on Monday, that's on April 2020. And then the following day after that, we have the tongues workshop on April 21. That will be on Tuesday, 5 p.m. at Formation Center in Formation Center at Sun Valley.
Oh my God, I haven't heard anyone who
Subdivision.
said center in a long time. Like
So,
saying
there,
center.
after Tom's workshop on Tuesday, we have
Mock thing. I don't know.
no, not
camp
yet.
promotion.
We have camp promotion on the weekend on Sunday, next Sunday,
And this Sunday.
and actually this Sunday, tomorrow. We have camp promotion. Center, yes, center. Thank you.
It's like bun.
But
Kailangan daw ng help ng mag-distribute ng flyers.
yes, we are.
Tomorrow.
Yes, we are looking for more hands for tomorrow's masses in Sun Valley and in countryside.
Ako nga said.
If you guys are planning to go to mass tomorrow,
Please text Jody.
please let us know what time so we can tell you if we're gonna be there, and then you can help us out in giving out the flyers.
Okay. And then, I heard that there will be last service meeting and mock talk for the camp. Is that right?
That's right.
When will that be? And what time?
The last service team meeting would be on the 29th of April. That's a Wednesday.
29.
29th. Oh, Wednesday.
May ano pala ako, sa April 30, ayun, nasa bahay lang ako. Magsasahing ako.
29.
Ayun, kidding
Maglalaba
aside.
ako.
Shut up. Kidding aside. 29 Wednesday will be our last service team meeting. And then the mock-up thing would be actually same day, 29 then pero that's gonna be on 1 p.m. and then come 5 p.m. that will be our last service team meeting, and that will be at my place, Mike's place.
Mike Edrada.
And we also actually have another one that would be. This is just in actually. Tita Lina just texted me earlier about the service team recollection in Tagaytay. That would be on Monday, next Monday, April 20. What's that? 27,
27,
right?
yeah.
27, April 27, Monday. That's in Tagaytay.
Mike, you sound like Samoy G.
27 at Tagaytay at Tita Emma's
Tuloy na ba yan?
house. Yes, yes.
Tuloy na ba yun?
Yes, Brother Bam, tuloy na to. In fact, again, Tita Lina just texted me
Okay na ako
earlier.
magpaiba ng duty.
And she was asking me how many will be attending this recollection. So guys, if you're listening, please let me know if you can make it so we can adjust the transportation ASAP. Masaya to kasi this will also be our team building for before camp. And recollection, siguro preparation
May
rin ng
tanong
spiritually for
ako,
all of us.
why is it necessary na we invite more people to join YFC? Ikaw, Lynn, why is it necessary na mag-invite tayo ng more people to join YFC?
Kasi, para sa akin, in order for us to share God's love in order for us to share God's love, I think it's important that we get to share what He has given us to others. Hindi lang natin i-contain sa sarili natin kung ano yung nararamdaman natin. Every morning when we see the sunrise and every night when we close our eyes and think of the last people that we had a chance to share that life with. And other than that, it's also great to hear the words and the wisdom that God has imparted on us.
Yun. Pwede ba magdagdag dyan? Pwede ba?
Yes,
English. Go, Bam.
Father Bam.
Hindi po ako mag-English dahil hindi ko kaya. Ayan. Siguro kaya importante o nararapat lamang na tayo pumunta sa recollection kung libre naman yung oras natin. Siguro mahalaga yung recollection. Kaya alam ko, ang sinasabi talaga ni Lynn ay we cannot give what we don't have. So, kailangan natin i-prepare yung sarili natin. Alam naman natin hindi para sa, medyo para sa atin din yung youth camp na darating, pero mas para sa participants yun. Tama ba?
Tama.
Di ba? Mas para sa kanila yun. So para ready tayo, siguro magkaroon na rin tayo ng para sa atin na recollection para pagdating natin doon, mas maintindihan natin na konti na lang yung para sa atin. Mas malaking parte ng youth camp ay para talaga dun sa mga participants.